Hold it.
He's eating an egg.
Let you know what it is.
Oh shit, it broke off. Yeah.
It's eating the whole chick, man.
Holy shit.
It's eating one of the birds. Why the birds acting crazy?
Oh. Stop it, Brian.
I can't, it's too late.
Oh no, he's still alive.
Look, he's eating them. This is in our backyard, yo.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
This is real shit.
Oh.
The little birds up there is mad. They killing it. Look, they mad. We thought they was fighting, competing for sex, but it's because of this. It's a birdhouse, and he's eating. He climbed up here and ate their shit.
The baby's still alive, man.
It's done.
Let's pull it off, man. That's not fair, man. I'm gonna pull it off.
That's wild. That's.
I don't give a fuck.
No, man, don't touch it.
I am, but that's not fair. I'm pulling it off. I don't give a shit. I'm not gonna kill it.
Kramer,
right.
leave it alone, man.
That's not right.
That's
no,
wild.
Man.
That's the call of the wild.
No.
That's the call of the wild. Stop. Stop.
I'm gonna
stop.
Ryan,
right
I'm
now.
going to do it. I don't care about what
Stop
you're
right
doing.
now. For real.
I'm gonna move him.
It's done.
No.
It's done.
I know, but it's more babies in there, man.
Baby, stop this National This is a National Geographic moment, and you getting all emotional. Now, come on, man.
I'm gonna spray it with water.
Stop, please. This is a National Geographic moment.
That's not fair, man. I say baby.
That's what happened in the wild.
Oh my God, I don't care.
Yep. Call of the wild. Oop. There it is. He went in there and put. Stop. Please leave the snake alone.
No, he's eating this fucking baby.
So what? Kramer, stop, please. Damn. Yo, you messing with this shit, man. Come on, it's done. You just gonna have the baby in agony.
No, he already got it now.
You gonna have the baby in agony. Now back up. I'm trying to get this dog on YouTube. Stop.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see. He getting it in. Sorry. They mad. Now we're just sitting there.
He don't know what to do. He hear us. Kind of like he ain't doing that shit. He's probably tripping around in his throat. His whole body's in there. He tricked them. So sad. They got birds nests in that motherfucker.
Stop. It's going back in that motherfucker.
I'm him out.
Stop.
I'm trying to get another one. Brian, that's not fair.
All right, go ahead, get it.
Use this. Get him out and run. Pull him out. Pull him out. Go in between his loop.
I'm trying to.
Ooh, try to help me get in there.
He in there now. Well, it's over.
He's getting all of them, man. See? That's not fucking fair. There's gonna be blue jays in there.
Cause you breaking my stick? What are you doing? You just broke the stick.
You wanted it. He's going back that way.
Down.
He got a baby in his mouth.
Yeah, got a baby in his mouth.
See? He'll eat them all. There's still some in that in the thing. He ate them all.
Well, I guess they ain't got no home no more.
I'm gonna put